Today we're going to take a look at my EDC toolkit. I leave this kit in my van, so it's always handy. Pretty much my vehicle is wherever I am. So if I have small repairs to make, this kit will always be on the ready. Now in my van I keep a lot of, I'm going to say, real tools. Full-size tools for doing vehicle repairs and for doing other things. So I have a main set of tools that I keep in there. And then this is my quick grab and go bag. I use this at work all the times as an IT guy on the college, and a lot of times I can just grab this and I can make a repair on the spot rather than have to make a trip back to the office or go home and get the proper tools to do the job. This makes me more efficient with my time, is I don't have to leave and then later on come back. I can take care of things as they happen right away on the spot. So let's go over what I have in this kit. On the outside, I have a lighter, small tape measure, 10 feet, some duct tape on an old card, this kit's packed pretty tight, so it's hard to get some of these things on the outside without opening it up. Disposable earplugs and a Sharpie. Now, let's open the kit up. There's a look at the contents. Here are some drill bits, because I can make little holes in things, do repairs. Very handy to have those. And a few extra driver bits. Those are in addition to the ones that are on here. This is a Tool Check Plus, and you can see there's a lot of different bits in there. I customized the bit selection on this to put in what I want, and this particular kit came with metric sockets. When I got this, it was very reasonably priced, but I don't know, last few years these things seem like they've been up around 80 bucks or so, which is absolutely ridiculous for what you get. You get a small ratchet and an extension, screwdriver handle, the bits, and the sockets. Very nice little kit if you can find them for a reasonable price. If you can find these things for like 40 bucks, it's a great kit. And what that kit is missing is imperial sockets. So here's a set of sockets to go along with it. Keep a razor knife. This is a Klein stubby screwdriver, adjustable in length. And then you can take the extension out, and this is impact rated, so you can use this on an impact driver. Then you also have a variety of bits in the handle. So this is a great screwdriver for a small kit like this. And then another small handle for 1/4 inch bits. And here I keep 2 pieces of leather. I'll use these to pad surfaces that I don't want to scratch up. And I'll take the small piece and fold it in half and stick it in a vise if I have to clamp a knife in there and I don't want to scratch it. So if you've seen any of my knife videos where I've clamped it in, this is the piece of leather that I've been using. Keep a pry bar in here. It's a little Estwing Pry Bar. The tape is over here just to keep that sharp edge from rubbing a hole in the nylon. This pry bar is about 8.5 inches long. This is a great tool. Not only can you take out nails, remove trim, you have a hammer, and it can also be used as an impromptu defensive tool, let alone busting out anything that you need, whether it's windows, prying open a door. This is a great tool. Those small flimsy pry bars don't really have a place in the kit like this, when something like this will fit in here and fit in here nicely. Pencil. This is a cheap Stanley ratchet, but it's a lot heavier duty than the one that comes in the Tool Check kit. So if I have to put a lot of torque on the fastener, I'm going to reach for this. This is an old Schrade multi-tool. It's made in partnership with Vice Grip. Actually locks very nice. Got your normal twist to adjust the pressure like you see on all your other Vice Grips. These needle nose, these do a great job. This also has your saw, screwdrivers, and a knife blade. Sometimes you just need that third hand, or you need to hold pressure on something while you work on it. So this is a great addition to the kit. And here you have Knipex channel locks. You press the button to adjust them, and these things are great. And to go along with those is a Knipex pliers wrench. The jaws move parallel. Push the button in, slide them to whatever size you need. These are much better than an adjustable wrench because as you're squeezing, it's applying a lot of pressure to the fastener, so you don't have any stripping or rounding off of the corners. This does an excellent job. It also does a good job as pliers on a lot of things because you have smooth jaws and they stay parallel, so you can hold things without marking them up like you would with the teeth on the Vice Grips or the regular pliers. And the size of these are both 180s, which, let me see, how long is that? 7.5 inches roughly overall length. So 180 is their size, so they're going to be 180 millimeters long. This is a good size. They're big enough to be heavy duty, but yet they're small enough to be portable. And then in the back here, I keep some wire strippers and cutters. And then the last item is a little boo-boo kit. There's some Band-Aids and some gauze, larger Band-Aids, an alcohol prep pad. Just a few little essentials. And that's it for in this kit. I don't remember what model Maxpedition pack this is, but if I find out what it is, I'll put that down in the description below. So I think you can see everything clearly there. That's a pretty good overview of all of the stuff that's in this kit. If you have any recommendations or suggestions for additions or deletions, put them down in the comments below. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.